What's up, Quentin Squad? It's your girl Harley. Thank goodness I'm not walking on rocks anymore. So we're in the marina right now. All the boats are leaving out because of the hurricane. So the hurricane's gonna be really, really bad. Like, we're getting so many weather alerts and stuff on our phone right now. Everybody has to be out of the marina by 5 p.m. in the afternoon. So my dad's gonna follow somebody because he's never been. So we're just getting our sailboat ready to go. But me and my mom are not going, but my brother, we gotta go pick up Brandon because he wants to go, but we might have school tomorrow. We're not sure. But yeah. Daddy, they took the Biloxi boat out. They took the Biloxi boat out. That was sinking. Oh. So yeah, guys. Here's our boat. My dad's gonna be staying on it while things are coming. Yeah, hurricanes. I just said hurricanes. Tomorrow. Let me see. Hold on. Marco. So Marco's coming in first, but before the water can go back out, like all right where I'm standing is gonna be all flooded with water. Yeah. So it looks really bad right now. It's just starting to start. So Marco's gonna come in, and before anything gets better, Laura's gonna come right in after. So on my forecast, it says all week and all next week and all. It's crazy. So we're getting stuff in for my dad. Raina would really like to go with the sail trip, with the whole sail trip, but he can't because he has school. Well, might have school. Schools might get shut down or let out early because of the hurricane. The school knows about the hurricane, but yeah. And my mom, if we're not going to school, my mom can't go to work because I'm not staying home alone while the hurricane's going. Heck no. Because my dad, it depends on, like, we don't know when my dad's going to be able to come back. It might be like until next week because of the hurricane, and he might not be able to get off the boat. Because they just have to bring it in the same spot, and whenever it's over, he can bring it back to the marina. But every single boat has to be out of here by 5 p.m. We woke up at 6:30. At 7:22, my dad's following somebody named Sam. So yeah. But my mom, my dad, and my brother. I'm a little bit nervous for my dad because it already looks bad, like every photo. But like it's not sunny at all, and it's 7:22. Like, oh, guys, do you see that? Oh wait, over there is pretty. But like over there is not, and that's the way they're going. Pretty on the like I'm looking at it, but I just see a ton of boats leaving out. No, there's a sailboat. You know, there's just lots of them leaving out. Some of them aren't leaving out till like noon. That's when a lot of them are gonna leave out. It's gonna be chaotic because they don't get up so early. They're not gonna get up so early on a Sunday. So, yeah, guys. Not sure yet. We're just loading the boat right now. And yeah. So yeah, guys, the ties, the sea, looks like right now. It's gonna be lifted up and all covered in this. What I'm walking on. So it's gonna be really scary. Everything's gonna be shut down, I think. Our schools, I don't know. Right now they're open, but the hurricane hasn't really started hitting us yet, so no. And it could possibly turn into a tornado. It could possibly turn into a tropical storm. You never know. But we've got so many weather alerts on our phones and devices. The dinghy needs more air.
Daddy, want to take the hose?
Mama, the dinghy needs more air.
No, you can leave that.
You want to leave it with the store?
Yeah.
So we got my dad. So my dad's birthday next week. Happy birthday, Daddy. It is September 6th. Yeah, and then my best friend is September 5th, and then mine's the 16th. So we will definitely celebrate my birthday. I'm not sure. You should show them all the diesel that them people put in the water. The diesel overflowed all over their boat and all over. Guys, the diesel just overflowed all over someone's boat and all in the water. Oh gosh, diesel's expensive. Like really expensive. What was I gonna say? What was we talking about, guys? So we just started the boat. But yeah, I totally forgot what I was talking about. Let me think. Yeah, so it's just gonna be crazy. There's our boat right there. Yes, oh yeah, birthdays. I will film my birthday. I'm actually gonna go ask my mom what day is gonna be my birthday party. My real birthday, I share it with my teacher, my homeroom teacher. September 16th. Mama, when are we gonna have my birthday party? When are we gonna have my birthday party?
I don't know. I got to figure all that out.
So I don't think it's not next week. It might be the next week. My dad's is on a Sunday. My friend's is on a Saturday. And my dad's is on a Sunday. And that following week, it's not. Like, it's in like a couple weeks, like less than a month. So I'm so excited. And yeah, I'm turning 10. My mom said she wants to do my birthday for my Big 10. She wants to make it a birthday surprise, you know? Like, of the theme. And I want it to be llamas. Llamas in Hawaii and my favorite. So cute. I love llamas. I love llamas. So I'm gonna have a llama party or like a dance birthday party. Like a gymnastics, and I wanna like do a routine that is really good. I can like show them or something. I don't know. I really don't know yet. We have dance battles, you know, it'd be fun. But yeah. Not exactly sure yet. The storm is getting so bad. People are just trying to fuel their boats up and leave out of here. Some people, not a lot of people. I don't think that's Sam's boat. Yes, it is Sam's boat. Wait, where is he at? Oh, he's on the boat. Never mind. Yeah. Anyways, we pray that they have a safe trip. I'm just walking. I'm telling you guys, I'm so excited for my birthday. I can't stop talking about that. Yeah, I shared birthday with my wonderful teacher.
Oh, okay. Yeah. I'm going up to the Harris Marina.
Hey guys, so I just had to get in the boat real quick. Hey Mom, do you need any help? Mom, you need any help?
I'm just trying to get the boats and trying to connect.
You want to say hi to Quinn Squad?
Hey, Quinn Squad. What? Hey, Quinn Squad.
Okay guys, so yeah, I'm so excited for my birthday. My mom wants to do it, but I want it to be dance themed or llama themed, or Mississippi State themed, or Alabama themed. So I don't know. But I don't want her to choose it because she's going to choose ew, disgusting LSU. So yeah, I'm really nervous for the 2 hurricanes. So yes, in a row. I mean, I hope we honestly do skip school so we can skip school. Because then it'll just be me and my mom and my brother. It'll be so much fun. And I can just like, no, I don't know. But yeah. just trying to get it, you know, squared away. And yeah. Yeah, hold on, guys. I have to put the little thing in my mouth because I hurt my mouth. Okay, guys, so I just got it in. Quick wax. Because it's like, so my molar, they start bleeding sometimes, and they start bleeding. I was like, I don't want to look like a camera. So yeah, I have to hug it up with the wax. I'm very nervous for my dad though. But yeah, you know, you have to do. You want to do what you gotta do. So. Yeah. I mean, you can't really stop it. I mean, you can. But yes, ma'am. So guys, I'm just gonna help my parents finish getting ready for the boat, and yeah, guys, I'll see you guys in a second. Peace out, guys. We have a lot of stuff to do. I'm very nervous right now, and we gotta pay my birthday when we get home. So yeah, peace out.